Hi, this video shows you how to open YouTube on Google Chrome Android without using the YouTube app. First, open Chrome and go to the address bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and carefully type youtube.com or do youtube.com, then press enter or search. After that, the YouTube website will load automatically. If it does not open properly at first, simply tap the link again or refresh the page to access it smoothly. Once YouTube opens, you can browse videos, explore trending content, and search for any video using the search bar. You can also sign in with your Google account to access your subscriptions, playlists, and watch history. The website works almost like the app, allowing you to watch videos in full screen and adjust quality settings easily. Finally, this method is very useful if you want to use YouTube without installing the app or if your device has limited storage. It is simple, fast, and convenient for everyday use.